Hi everyone, I'm Sumesh. Welcome back to my channel Smash Art. Recently, I uploaded a video demonstrating how we can install Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter version into a local machine. So we used a MacBook M1 Air for the demonstration purpose. So today we are going to install the next version, which is 70 billion parameter of Llama 3.1 model. So we're gonna use Azure platform and we are going to create a virtual machine, and using that virtual machine we are going to install Llama 3.1 70 billion parameter model and showing a demo how we can run it. So without further ado, let's dive deep into the installation process. So this is the official website of Meta Llama 3.1 model. I will share the link in the description. So here we can see there are three different models: 4.5 billion, 70 billion and 8 billion. So we already saw the demonstration for 8 billion, how we can install it in a local machine, which is MacBook M1 Air. So today we're gonna see how we can install 70 billion model in our Azure Virtual Machine. So let me go to the Azure portal, creating a virtual machine. So I'm gonna create a new virtual machine, Azure. So I'm going to use one of my existing resource group. I'm going to create a new virtual machine, Llama 3. Everything seems good. And size, I can go with the D series with 16 virtual CPUs and 64 gigabytes of RAM. I don't think Azure VM currently has GPU support for virtual machines. I think we may have to request a quota for that. So anyway, we are going to use a CPU only virtual machine for this demonstration purpose. So I'm going with this series, and I'm changing this to password type to smash out password. Yep. And next to disks, I'm going to specify the disk size to 512 gigabytes. Everything seems good. I think we can directly review and create it. Validation is passed, so we're gonna create this. And the deployment has started. So currently we have created a virtual machine with 16 virtual CPUs and 512 gigabytes of RAM, not RAM, the storage. So let's go to the resource and we can see our virtual machine. Yep, 16 CPUs and 64 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of other internal storage. So let's copy this IP address and go to terminal, clear SSH. I'm going to connect to this virtual machine @ my username, which is the one I have created before, smash out the IP address. Yes. So this will connect to the virtual machine and it has connected, and we can start installing our Llama 3.1 70 billion parameter version. So in order to do that, we are going to use a tool which is called Ollama. So Ollama is a tool which helps developers or users to install the popular LLMs in just few commands. So we're gonna use this tool now. So download, and we are using an Ubuntu version, so we have to use the Ollama tool for Linux. So copy this installation command, go to the virtual machine, paste, enter. So this will install Ollama tool to the machine. So we can also see the warning that it doesn't has, the virtual machine don't have any GPUs, but we are only going to use a CPU for this demonstration. So the next command is to install Llama 3.1 70 billion parameter version. For that, we have to give the command Ollama space run space Llama 3.1 colon the parameter version, which is 70 billion, and type enter. So this command will make a local copy of the Llama 3.1 70 billion parameter model and make the installation process to the machine. So the download file size is almost close to 39 GB. So the download is almost completed. So once the download is complete, we can able to see the prompt to enter the user message. So right now the installation is in the process and it's verifying the download. And it's done. So now it's gonna allow the users to enter the prompt. Yep. And we can type any message. Hello world. So this virtual machine doesn't have any GPUs and it has very limited CPU power, which is 16 virtual CPUs. So the performance will not be the best, but it's still we can able to run the 70 billion parameter version in this virtual machine. If there is a chance, you can opt for GPU, in which the performance of the LLM will be much better comparing to the virtual machines which are using only CPUs. So now you can see it is giving the response, but the response is not so smooth. It is probably due to the limitations of the memory and the CPU power. So this is how we can install Llama 3.1 70 billion parameter version in less than 5 minutes in a virtual machine. So Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if there is any feedback from you in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye bye.